Isiksele kancane sizophumelela, isiksele kancane, isiksele kancane. But namuhla asikho lapho. Welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. Namuhla ngifuna sikhulume something different today. Funa nje sithashe kakhulu tuwe ma topic labalulekile afili kumele adiscusswe, and we really need to dive deep, understand kahle, and look at even numbers if we have to go to that. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. My name is Siyabonga Shabangu, and we are Diski Parliament. Here we engage each other respectfully and robustly in football politics, football debates, and also just it's a football culture here. And welcome. And we would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. If you like this video and share it with your friends, we would really appreciate the support. And if you are returning to Diski Parliament, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Welcome back as always. No, njengoba bese ngibekile ukuthi namhla we are doing it different, yabo. Angifuni engage kakhulu kuma politics, ngifuna just ukubeka umbono wami ngebhola, yabo. More especially about ma goalkeeper wethu South Africa. Legmele sambe now go World Cup. I want us to look at the three big teams, the three goalkeepers in the three big teams. We have Williams, Sundowns. We have Sipho Chaine, Orlando Pirates. We have Petersen, Kaizer Chiefs. Say Hugo Bros has to take two out of those three goalkeepers. Who would it be, and why? What justifies that? Obviously, it's current performance, how the player is performing. And there's also more to that. You look at qualities like leadership qualities. You look at the mindset. There's a lot that you must take into consideration when you consider a goalkeeper. But the question is, iligi seyaphela manje. Only a few games are remaining. So the big question is, between those three goalkeepers, who should we take to the World Cup if we have to take two between the three? Who are we going with to the World Cup? Are we taking Williams? Why? Because my thing is with Williams, he has conceded 21 goals in the league. And he's our number one goalkeeper with 21 goals conceded. Right? You go to Petersen, he has conceded 13. You go to Sipho Chaine, he has conceded 12. So who has raised his hands to say, I'm ready to go to the World Cup between these three goalkeepers? I think my number one would be Petersen. In terms of who has said to Hugo Bros, I'm ready. Okay, some would argue to say Petersen has played less games. But my argument is Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have the defense that Orlando Pirates has, that Mamelodi Sundowns has, right? In as much as Sipho Chaine and Williams are good goalkeepers, Sipho Chaine is very good, far better in my opinion. And in as much as they are good, Petersen doesn't have that strong defense that protects him. He doesn't get to have that benefit. Yes, I'm not saying Defense Chiefs is weak. I'm not saying that. They are just not strong enough as the other two. So who has raised his hands? It's Petersen, because he's getting attacked. He played Orlando Pirates. He played Mamelodi Sundowns. They were on him. And he managed to pull up with a draw, only conceding one goal, which was same as Petersen and Williams. Overall in the season, he has like 60-70% clean sheet to 70% clean sheet rate. So he has raised his hand far beyond. He has given us a reason beyond reasonable doubt. Second, it's Sipho Chaine. Obviously, he should be our #1 goalkeeper in the country. On paper, he should be, because in reality he is. But on paper, for some reason, he is not. Sipho Chaine is a really good goalkeeper. He has shown that his qualities far better than any other goalkeeper. And because as I mentioned, one of the qualities that you look for in a goalkeeper is leadership qualities, right? Who in the PSL in South Africa has demonstrated leadership qualities more than Chaine between these three, between Petersen and Williams? They are far away compared to Chaine. He is not the captain, but he's commanding that area. He's even giving instruction to Sibisi, the captain himself. You need a goalkeeper that will command that space. You need a goalkeeper that will command that space and own it. That's what Chaine brings to the table. He has the leadership skill. He has the leadership qualities. And also, not only that, even the skill of goalkeeping, he is very good. You understand? He is very good. He's just broken the record in the PSL that was previously held by Williams. He currently has 19 clean sheets. The previous record was 18 by Williams. He has surpassed that. And also he has the potential to even go further beyond that 19, because he has 2 more games to play. So these are my reasons to say, if I were to call 2 goalkeepers out of the 3, I am taking Chaine, I am taking Petersen. But because this is an open forum and these are my opinions, you understand, I would really love to understand, to know your thoughts. How do you view this thing? How do you view it? I can't take away from, honestly, I cannot take away from Williams. I can't take away from Williams. Williams is a good goalkeeper. He's a captain. He has the experience, which is very important. He has the experience. He played a Club World Cup. He consistently played the CAF Champions League, and at the higher level, he is always up there. We understand. So he has that experience, which is crucial, and his ball distribution also is really good. Williams, we are calling out angena game, then become the 11th player in the game. So who add the numbers? A fielding. So we can't take away that, but I feel at current moment, performance because that's crucial. The 2 are far better, Sipho Chaine and Petersen. I know I might get a lot of criticism from my own people, Orlando Pirates supporters, by saying Petersen deserves a call up for the national club when we must take him to the World Cup. He deserves it. he has constantly been shouting to Hugo Bros, calling Hugo Bros' name to say, I'm here. Take me to the World Cup. Take me to Mexico. Take me to Canada. Take me to the US. I'm here. He's been saying that. And I think it's time that Hugo Bros answer his calls, because he's been calling. And as a Buccaneer fan, I'm going to say it, and without any fear of contradiction, Petersen deserves that call-up. He must be called for the national club. Yeah, obviously, Chaine, number 1, Petersen, Williams, it's not make sure. It's not make sure. At current moment, it's not make sure. We need him to just relax a bit. And maybe we might reach the knockout stages in the World Cup, hopefully. Because you cannot seriously concede 7 goals as Mzansi's number 1. In the last 2 games, when you concede 7 goals and you are Mzansi's number 1, we can't do that. You concede 21 goals overall in the season. You can't do that. Then we have goalkeepers like Chaine that conceded 12, like Petersen that conceded 13, that are not being called for the national club. We must consider current performance when we take players to the World Cup. I think that is my opinion, and I would love to leave it there for you to just digest that information and let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, let's take it from there. Otherwise, ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for watching our content. Siyabonga kakhulu. We really appreciate it. As you're about to like, share, and subscribe, enjoy your beautiful day, enjoy your beautiful week, enjoy the rest of the year, guys, and stay safe. We are about to hit winter manje. Stay cozy, bafethu. So in fact, here in Cape Town, it's winter. The rest of the country is gonna join us very soon when we hit June. So yeah, let's watch the World Cup together, bafethu. Let's watch the World Cup together. We will be here. We will be watching the games together. So please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Send it to your friends. Danko Asbonge, Diski Parliament, football culture, raw politics, and raw debates. That's all of it.